Ever wondered why your ears suddenly feel like they're stuffed with cotton when a plane takes off or lands? It's a common, sometimes uncomfortable, sensation many travelers experience. This isn't just a quirky travel inconvenience. It's a mini physics mystery playing out right inside your head. Let's unpack the science behind this phenomenon.
Behind every question lies discovery. I'm Saluna, and this is SciCurious, where we uncover the science shaping our world.
Our journey begins with air pressure. At sea level, the air around us exerts a certain amount of pressure. As an airplane ascends, the atmospheric pressure outside the cabin rapidly decreases. Inside your ear, specifically in the middle ear, there's a small, air-filled space behind your eardrum. This space is usually at the same pressure as the outside world. When the plane changes altitude, the air pressure outside your body changes quickly. However, the air inside your middle ear doesn't always catch up right away. This creates an imbalance, higher pressure inside your middle ear compared to the lower pressure outside. This pressure difference makes your eardrum bend outwards, like it's being pushed. This bending or stretching of the eardrum is what causes that uncomfortable feeling of fullness, muffled hearing, or even mild pain. And guess what? That's the sensation we commonly call ear popping. But don't worry, your body has a clever, built-in tool to handle this, the eustachian tube. Think of it as your ear's personal pressure regulator. This small tube connects your middle ear to the back of your throat, allowing air to flow in and out. It's usually closed, but it opens briefly when you perform certain actions. Every time you swallow, yawn, or chew gum, the muscles in your throat activate, causing that little tube to open. This allows air to flow in or out of your middle ear. When the eustachian tube opens, it equalizes the pressure between your middle ear and the outside environment. Boom, pressure equalized, and your ears pop back to normal. So, chewing gum on a plane isn't just for fresh breath or to pass the time. It's your secret weapon against pressure discomfort, constantly stimulating those muscles to open your eustachian tubes. And yawning dramatically might make you look a little weird to your seatmates, but hey, it's science in action. It's one of the most effective ways to open those tubes wide. Other tricks include sipping water, which encourages swallowing, or trying the Valsalva maneuver, gently blowing air out while holding your nose and keeping your mouth closed. During descent, the pressure changes can be even more rapid and pronounced than during ascent. This is often when people experience the most intense ear-popping sensations. This is also why babies often cry on planes, especially during landing. Their eustachian tubes are smaller and more horizontal, making pressure equalization harder for them. Pro tip for parents: feeding a baby or giving them a pacifier during takeoff and landing helps them swallow frequently, which in turn helps to equalize that pressure. Did you know that not only airplanes, but even elevators in very tall buildings can cause your ears to pop? The rapid change in altitude, even if it's just a few hundred feet, can be enough. Also, scuba divers experience similar pressure changes, but in reverse. As they descend, water pressure increases, and they must actively equalize the pressure in their ears to avoid injury. So, the physics of pressure equalization is a universal concept, whether you're soaring through the sky or diving deep into the ocean. It's all about balancing forces. To sum it up, ear popping happens because of pressure differences around your eardrum, caused by rapid changes in altitude. And your built-in equalizer, the eustachian tube, saves the day by opening to balance that pressure. Just chew, yawn, swallow, or try the Valsalva maneuver. These are your easy physics hacks to keep your ears happy and comfortable. So next time your ears pop mid-flight, don't panic. It's just physics saying hello at 30,000 feet, and now you know exactly why. Understanding these simple scientific principles can make your travel experience much more enjoyable and less mysterious. Follow and subscribe for more mini physics lessons on the go, and discover the science behind everyday phenomena.
There's always more to discover. I'm Selu, and this has been SciCurious. Stay curious, and I'll see you in the next wonder.